don't know who motherfucking representing it here tonight.
My YouTube friends, I finished doing a makeup tutorial. This was more so a speed through. Wanted to do a quick review on the new. I didn't buy the actual foundation. I did get a sample because a lot of times I like to try in sample form instead of buying it and then having to return it all the time. I figure if I get samples and if I like it, I can go and buy the full size. So I did get a sample of the Hello Happy by Benefit, and it is a new foundation that just came out, and I am in the color number 9. I wanted to, like I said, pull the information up on this foundation. Again, they do sell it at Sephora, and that's where I got my sample from. And like I stated, I am in the color number 9 because I did get colors, because like I stated in my other makeup tutorials, I'm not good with matching myself. Again, the foundation is the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and the claims are it's light coverage. Like I said, I don't really need full coverage. Well, not that I don't need it, I really don't do full coverage. I do light to medium coverage because again, I don't really have nothing to cover other than my under eye area, a concealer or something like that. Try to stick with light to medium coverage type foundation. I don't want to put on foundation and it just change my whole look. I do have the combination skin, which is the dry and oily skin, and it has the SPF 15, which is sunscreen protection. And I was looking for a everyday type of foundation where I can, you know, take a little bit of dots and go ahead and apply it on my face just to even out my skin tone, just to give me that even look. But again, I did this for this video. Evens out the look of skin tones and blurs. Imperfection, lightweight, buildable formula, is easy to apply and flashback free. Plus, it contains shea extract and ingredients known to smooth the look of skin and help protect. That's why it has the SPF in it, which is 15. And what else? And then again, Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation looks like skin, feels like nothing is on. I will agree with that. It comes in 12 shades, so I didn't really have too many to choose from. You would think by now, you know, foundation companies or makeup brands come out with more color selections. Like the Fenty Beauty, I mean, she came out with so many shades. It was like you had so many choices. With me, I didn't have a lot of options, so the only one that I could pick was number 9. I think number 10 was a little too dark. The bottle number 9 do look dark, but when I applied it on, it blends in really nice. I'm just looking here in my mirror. Like I said, the way I determine on how I like foundation is how it looks on camera. I said if it looks good on camera, is a win for me. Most of the time, I'll apply makeup on when I'm filming videos. If it look good in videos, I'll know, you know, it's a win for me. I like to sit in front of the camera or take pictures. It says beauty tip to create a smoother, thin, smooth canvas for makeup. Start your look with Benefit's best-selling professional face primer. Use the Fenty Beauty primer. It says how to use it. Like I said, I didn't buy the actual bottle. It says to shake well before you blend 1 drop onto a clean moisturized face using a beauty sponge or fingertip and repeat to build. In the video clip that you will see coming up, I just did like dots with a Q-tip that I had, and I did use a beauty blender. Looking at it in the mirror, it looks really nice on. It doesn't look like I have on foundation. Good things and bad things about this foundation. Like I said, I do listen to reviews, but then a lot of times I like to go ahead and try it out myself. That's why I said, let me just go get a sample just in case it may not work. But yeah, as of now, it looks beautiful, you guys. All the products that I used for this demonstration, it wasn't a talk through, it was more so a speed through. If you want to see how I created this beautiful look using the new Hello Benefit foundation, then keep on watching. Okay, I done my eyebrows, lashes, and everything just to save time for this video, because again, this video is just a foundation review. I am reviewing the Hello Happy by Benefit, and I'm in the color 9. Okay, I forgot to end this video. These types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click that notification bell so you can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.